Hello students, welcome back to the mathematics class. Today I would like to discuss with you exercise 1.3 of question number 3. Okay, so here they are given total 10 questions. I'll solve among of that 6 questions. You can solve 4 questions. Okay, so I'll go with the first question. So first question they are given here. We have given a is equal to 5. They are given a is equal to 5, d is equal to 3, d is equal to 3. So an is equal to 50. Find n and an. Find n and so Sn we need to find Sn. These two things we need to find. A given, d given, an. So find n and Sn. Okay. Now here we have. So we need to find n. For that we can use one formula, and we need to find Sn. We need to use one more formula. Okay. So very first of all we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula we can use. So an already they are given, it is 50 they are given. A we have 5 plus. Okay. So now n minus 1 into d. Okay. So this we have. Now 50 is equal to, okay, now we have 5 plus 3n minus of 3. Okay. Now this is 50, 5 minus 3, how much will get? We will get here 2 plus of 3n. Okay. Now next, so next we have, this is 48, this 2 can take this side, this is 48, and this is we have 3n. So n is equal to, we have 48 by 3, this is 1 ja, now 16 ja. So n is equal to, we have 16. So n is equal to, we have 16. Okay. Now once we got n is equal to 16, what we need to find here? Sn. So s of 16, already we have n is equal to 16. Okay. Now so here we have the formula n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now once we have this, so s of 16 n by 2. So n we have 16 by 2. So 2 into a. So a we have 5. This is 5 plus. So n we have 16 minus of 1, d we have 3 it is. Okay. Now next, s of 16 is equal to, we have 8 into bracket of again, so 2 into 5 10 plus this is 15 into 3 we will get. Okay. Now s of 16, now this is 8 into bracket of 10 plus 15 into 3 is 45. Next, so s of 16 is equal to 8, I will keep as it is. Now this is 10 plus 45 you will get, it is 55. Okay. So 10 plus 45 you will get here 55. Now 55 into 8 we need to do this one. So 8 5 will get 40, again 8 5 40 and 4 44. Okay. So we will get, it is s of 16 is equal to 440. Okay. Now this is what n we got here 16 and s of 16. Okay. Sn we need to find, s of 16 we will get 440. Okay. So this is very easy. First you can calculate the n, then you can substitute the n value here, you will get s of 16 is equal to 440. Okay. Now next question we have. So next question we have, I think I'll solve. Okay, a second one. Given a is equal to 7, well 8 13 is equal to 35. Next, find d, find d and D and S13. Okay, find D and S13 is how much? Well, so they are given A13 is equal to 35, A they are given, D we need to find. This is very simple, dear students. Now let me write A13. A13 is equal to A plus, okay, 12 into D is equal to 35. Now A we have 7 plus 12 into D, keep as it is. Now this is 35. Okay. Now we have 12, D is equal to 35 minus of 7. Okay. Now 12, D is equal to 35 minus of 7 will get 28, isn't it? 35 minus 7 will get 28. Now D is equal to will get 28 by 12. Okay. So D is equal to will get here 6. I think we'll get this one 3. Okay, 4 table we have 4 3s and 4 7s. Will get 7 by 3. So D is equal to will get here 7 by 3. Okay, 4 3s 4 7s will get 28, 4 8s 32. Okay. Now next, once you got D is equal to 7 by 3, what we need to find? S of 13. So S of 13 we need to find. We have formula n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now S of 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into bracket of, okay, now 2a. So it is 14 will get plus 13 minus of 1, D we have 7 by 3. Okay. Next, S of 13 is equal to 13 by 2. Now into bracket of 14 plus 13, it is will get 12, 7 by 3. 7 3 1s are 3, 4s are will get. Okay. Now S of 13 is equal to 13 by 2 into bracket of, okay. Now this is 14 plus, so 4 into 7 will get 7 4s are 28. Okay. Next, S of 13 is equal to, we have next, okay, 13 by 2 we have here. Okay. Well, we can keep as it is 13 by 2 into bracket of, okay. Now 14 plus 28, 8 plus 4 will get, it is 12. So 12 and 1 we have 2, 3 and this is 4. 42 will get, isn't it? Now S of 13. So yes, exactly. So next it is 38, 42, correct. Now this is 2 1s are 2, I think 20 1s are. So 13 into 21 we need to do. So next S of 13, just you can see S of 13, it is 1 3s are 3 will get, okay, I will do here correctly, 13, 21, 1 3s are 3, 1 1s are 1, so 2 3s are 6 will get, 2 1s are 2 will get, 3 7 2. Okay. So 273 will get here, isn't it? Now 273 we will get this one, isn't it? Now, so this is S of 13 and we have this is D is equal to 7 by 3. Okay. I hope you understood this problem. So next I will move with the question number 4. I will 3 I will leave. Okay. So I will go with the question number 4. Question number 4 I will go. Okay. Now, question number 4. So now we have question number 4 given. A3 is equal to, okay, A3 3 value, A3 is equal to 15. S of 10 is equal to, 125. Now find D and A10. Find D and A10. Find D and A10. So now we have A3 and see this S10 we have. So A3 we can write A3 is equal to A plus 2D is equal to 15. A plus 2D is equal to 15. D we need to find. We don't have the D, so that we need to find. Okay. Now S of 10 we have, that is 125. Okay. Well, and then A10 also we need to find. Now this we don't have the what here, D value we need to find, that is also okay. Now okay, well, now A is equal to what I will do means this is 15 minus of 2D. So A value I will take, this is 15 minus of 2D. Okay. Now once I got this, now S10, S of 10 is equal to, it is n by 2 into bracket of 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Now S of 10, this is will get 10 by 2. Now we have 2A, A we have 15 minus 2D plus it is 10 minus of, we will get, so 10 minus 1 into D. So we don't have the D, so we can substitute this. Well, next, so S10, so S of 10 we have 125 is equal to 125 is equal to, now this is I'll write 5 into bracket of, we have this is 13 minus of, this is 4D plus this is 9 into D, isn't it? 10 minus 1, 9D. Now 125 as it is, 5 is also as it is. Now this is, we have 30, this is minus 4D plus 9D. So this is 30 minus of, plus 5D. Okay. Now this 5 will take this side, so it becomes what, 25 itself, isn't it? Now 5, okay, 2s and 2 remaining 25, correct it is. Now, so 30 we have here this side, isn't it? This is, I'll write 30 plus of 5D we remaining. Okay, this I'll take this side. So once I taken this into this side, so this becomes what, remaining is minus 5 and this side we have 5D. So D is equal to minus 1. So D is equal to, will get minus 1. So once we got D is equal to minus, okay, D is equal, this is 2 into 2 minus 4, correct, everything is correct. D is equal to minus 1. So we got D is equal to minus 1. What we need to find? A10 we need to find. Okay. So this is very simple. A10, A plus 9 into D. So A we have, how much we have? A this much we have. Okay. We will find A first of all. We will find A first of all. A, this we can written here. Now A is equal to, this is 15 minus of 2 into minus 1. So A is equal to how much then? 15 minus of, this is plus 2 into 1, 2. So A is equal to, will get 17. So once you got A is equal to 17, this you can substitute here. Now this is A10 is equal to, we have 17 plus 9 into minus 1, 9 into minus 1. So A10 is equal to, okay, 17 and 9 into 1 is minus 9. A10 is equal to 17 minus of 9, will get 8. Okay. So now, so 7 in the 9, is it correct? So we will get 7 minus 10 will get 2, it is right. So we will get A10 is equal to 8. So A is equal to 17, D is equal to minus 1. Okay. What we need to find? D, and we need to find A10 is 8. So I hope you understood this problem very well. Okay. Next, I will move with the question number 5th one. I will leave. I will go with the question number 6. Okay. Now, question number 6. Well, what is that question number 6 means? Okay. Given A is equal to 2, A is equal to 2, and we have d is equal to 8, d is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90, Sn is equal to 90, find n and an, find n and an, find n and an. Okay. Now see, a we have, d we have, Sn they are given 90, we need to find n and an. So an can we find very easily. So we have a, we have this d, nth term also we need to find here. Okay. Now first of all, n how we can find? Can we find by using Sn formula? Yes, we can find by using the what? Sn formula. So we have Sn is equal to, okay, so n we don't have, so n by 2 into bracket of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now Sn we have, this is 90, now n by 2 as it is. Next we have 2 into a, it is 4, plus n we don't have, keep as it is, and d we have, this is here 8. Okay. So next, so 90 keep as it is, now n by 2 as it is, so this becomes 4 plus a 10 minus of 8. Okay. So this you can multiply a 10 and this is minus 8 as it is. Now again we have 90 here as it is. So here this 90 is there, so this you can if you want you can take it this side. Okay. So otherwise you can divide here. So I'll keep as it is. Now this is 2 ones are 2 2s are, plus again it is 4 n, again it is minus 4. Well, we are taken inside that. Next, this implies 90 keep as it is. Well, we have 90 here as it is. Now this is n, you can multiply 2n plus this is 4 n square, and this is again minus 4 n. Okay. Now this implies we have 90 as it is. So 2n minus will get again, this is 4 n square minus of 2n. Well, yes. So next we have, this is here 90. So we will arrange the terms. So this becomes 4 n square minus of 2n, and this is we can transfer this into this side. So this becomes minus 90 is equal to 0. Okay. Now can we take common here? We can take the common. So this becomes 2n square, now minus n, and this is 45, isn't it? So 45. Next, what are the two numbers? So what are the two numbers that will gives us what? 90. So and we need only n. So 2n square minus of 10. Okay, 10n minus of 9n. 10 into 9 will get 90. Okay. So 10n minus of 9n, and will get this is 10n, sorry, we need minus, so this is plus. Okay. So minus 10n plus 9n. Now we have minus 45 is equal to 0. Okay. So this we have here. Next, this implies 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus of 45. Okay. Now we can take common. So 2n I'll take. Now n is remaining, n minus of we have 5, isn't it? 2 into 2n into n, we will get here 2n square. Now 2n into minus 5 will get here minus 10n. Now next, plus 9, I'll take the common, n minus of 5. Okay. So this equal to 0. 9 into 5 will get 45, 9 into n will get plus 9n. Okay. So this implies again we have 2n plus of 9 one bracket, and one more is n minus of 5. Okay. So now this becomes, we'll get here n is equal to how much? 5. N is equal to 5 will get here. Now again we have one more value, that is minus 9 by 2. Okay. So these two values will get, but which is the correct here? N is equal to 5. Fraction we can't be take. So n is equal to what? 5. So n is equal to 5. What we need to find? A n. This is very simple. So I'll rub this one, okay. So this I'll rub. Now we need to find an. So n is how much here? N we got 5. A 5 is equal to, we can write a plus of 4d. Now a 5 is equal to, so a 5 is equal to, a we have 2 plus 4 into d we have 8, okay. Now a 5 is equal to 2 plus 4 into 8, 8 into 4 is 32, okay. Now a 5 is equal to 2 plus 32 will get 34. A5 is equal to 34, 32 plus 2 is 34. We have n is equal to 5, A5 is equal to 34. Okay. So, this is what the question number 6. Very simple it is. First of all, we need to calculate n. So, after that we need to calculate an. So, n is equal to, already we got that value, you can substitute here. You will get A5 is equal to 34. Okay. Well, next, I think I will solve question number, which one? 8th one. Okay, 8th one I'll solve now. 7th I'll leave, 8th one I'll go with the 8th one. Well, question number 8. Given n is equal to 4. Given n is equal to 4, d is equal to 2. D is equal to 2, Sn is equal to minus 14, Sn is equal to minus 14, find n and a, find n and a, okay. Well, so they are given n is equal to this time 4, d is equal to 2, well, and we need to find a. So, for that we have formula n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d formula. So, this is very simple. Now, an is equal to, we have 4, we need to find plus n minus of 1 into d. So, d we have, it is 2, okay, we have 2. So, I think we need to find a. Well, we can do it this one. Okay. Now, we have 4 here. So, this becomes a plus 2n minus of 2. Okay. Now, here 2 variables are there. So, here Sn is equal to 14. We can substitute in Sn only it is. So, 2 variables to eliminate. Okay, we will get 1 or 2. Now, an given? Yes, it is given an. D given, Sn minus 14, n and a we need to find, we will find. So, now this is 2n minus 2 we have, this is a, what we need to do means, we will take value of a. Once I taken value of a, this you can transfer that side. So, otherwise first I will write this one and 2 I will transfer this side. So, this becomes 6, okay, plus of 2n, okay. Now, value of a is what here? A is equal to this 6 minus of 2n. 6 minus of 2n now it is. This plus 2n you can transfer this side. So, a is equal to how much? 6 minus of 2n will get. This is the value of a. Okay. Now, next we have Sn is equal to minus, okay, 14 they are given. Now, we have formula n by 2 into bracket of, it is 2a plus of n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, next Sn is equal to minus 14 n. So, n we do not have. So, keep as it is into 2. Now, 2 into a we have 6 minus of 2n, 6 minus of 2n plus n minus of 1 into d we have 2 it is. Well, now this is minus 14, now this we have this 2, okay, will be cancelled. Now, okay, into bracket of 2 I will take inside. Now, remaining is 6 minus 2n as it is here plus, Okay, now again I'll take here 2, again this is remaining n minus of 1 itself, this is 2 also cancel here. Okay, now minus 14 as it is here, now we can multiply, this is 6n minus of this is 2n square. Well, now this is plus n into this n square, now this is minus n. So minus 14 as it is here. So just you can see here we have 6n and here we have minus n. So we will get here 5n. Now minus 2n square plus n. So only we will get n square. Isn't it? This much we got here. Okay. Well, now we will arrange the terms now again. So once we arrange the terms, so this becomes n square. We will take these quantities into this side. This is n square minus 5n and we have this is minus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, this we are taken this side. So we have minus 5n minus 14 is equal to 0, which are the two numbers here we will get. Okay, so we should get 7 and 2. Okay, well, so n square minus 7n and plus 2, 7 2s are 14 will get minus. Okay, 2n plus minus 14 is equal to 0. Now this becomes, we have n you can take common, n minus of 7 plus 2 we can take common, n minus of again 7, 2 7s are 14 is equal to 0. Now this will get n plus of 2 and we will get n minus of 7. So we will get n is equal to 7 minus 2. Okay, 7 and minus 2. So n is equal to 7. So once you got n is equal to 7, what we need to find? The value of a. Okay, so the value of a we need to find. So how to find the value of a? A already we have, it is a is equal to 6 minus of 2n. Now a is equal to 6 minus of 2 into 7 is 14. Okay, now a is equal to 6 minus of 14, how much we will get? We will get minus 8. Isn't it? So 2 into n is 2 7s are 14, we will get minus 14 and plus 6 will get minus 8. A is equal to minus 8 and n is equal to how much? 7. Okay, so this is what, how to find the what? N and a. Okay, so this is very simple, just you need to substitute the values. If you got two variables or one variable, substitute in another formula, you will get one variable's value, that you can substitute in another value, you will get your desired values. Okay, I hope you understood very well. Okay, so last one they are given here, question number, I think I'll solve 10th one. Okay, well, so question number 10 I'll solve. Given L is equal to 28, given L is equal to 28, S is equal to 144, S is equal to 144. There are total 9 terms. There are 9 terms. Well, find A. Find A. Well, so S is equal to, they are given 144. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket of A plus L formula we have. So Sn already given 144, n 9, we have 9 terms, 9 by 2 into bracket of A, we need to find A itself plus L we have 28. Okay, now next 144. So what you need to do means, can't we take this, I'll take this side. Okay, 2 this side I'll take. Now this becomes, we have 144 into 2 divided by 9 we can do. Okay, this we can take this side. Now A plus of 28 we can do it here. Well, so 144 into 2 will get, this implies 288 divided by 9. Okay, is equal to A plus of 28. Now next 9 ones are 9. So how much will get again? 9 3s are 27, 1 remaining 2s are. Okay, so we will get here 32. This is A plus of 28. So this you can transfer this side. So 32 minus of 28 and A, this is 32 minus of 28, we will get here 4 is equal to A. Okay. Now, so what is the value of A? We can see here the value of A is 4. Okay. So this is what all the questions I have solved here. So next questions will solve in the next class, and I hope these all you understood very well. Okay. Thank you.